it.
And then you gotta do that, yeah.
Oh, on to something else right away, huh?
What is that? Come on.
You didn't see it. Big smile looking at Lucas. He had a big smile looking at him.
Well, this must be your child.
Be careful. Be
Pull
nice.
his ears off.
Look at him.
Kale's
We
like,
have the same funny looking thing on the side of your head.
don't. You're pulling it.
No!
Nice.
I don't care. Go find a puddle.
Come on.
Yeah. I'll put a tiptoes. So mad.
It's an ear, child. It's not a toy.
Oh, good job. Where are you going?
Good job.
Is that your concentrating face?
Lip out.
One disappeared. Ah.
Dada. Where's your dada?
Good job, Cal. I'm watching you.
Keep going.
Look at him. He only wants to be with this one.